Hello everyone, welcome back to ITPK. If you have ever wondered what Windows 11 LTSC is, why Windows 11 LTSC is special, and how you can download it directly from Microsoft official website, then you are in right place. Make sure to watch till end because I will show you the safest way to get official ISO file for Windows 11 LTSC. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what Windows 11 LTSC actually is. LTSC stands for Long Term Servicing Channel, which is a special edition of Windows designed mainly for businesses, industries, and IoT Internet of Things devices. Unlike regular Windows version, LTSC receives only security and stability updates for many years. No feature updates, no unnecessary apps, and no bloatware. This makes it faster, lighter, and more stable. And this is perfect for ATMs, kiosks, medical equipment, and anyone who just want a clean and no nonsense Windows experience. Now let's see how to download it safely and officially from Microsoft website. Please go ahead and click the link given in the video description. You will be landed on Microsoft Evaluation website. Let's go ahead and click on Evaluate Now Windows 11 Enterprise. Now on Microsoft download page, you will see two options, Windows 11 Enterprise and Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC. So the question here is, what's the difference and what version will be best for us? Windows 11 Enterprise is a full feature version for businesses. It gets regular feature updates, including the Microsoft Store and most of the apps you find on normal Windows. It's ideal for companies that want both the latest features and the security. On the other hand, Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC, which stands for Long Term Servicing Channel, is a lightweight, stripped down variant designed for mission critical devices. It doesn't get feature updates, only security updates, and it's come without unnecessary apps and bloatware. This makes it extremely stable and perfect for ATM, kiosks, medical equipment, or users who just want clean Windows experience. So if you want the latest feature, go with Enterprise. If you want the maximum stability and long-term support, go with Enterprise LTSC. Now here on the page, I click on download the ISO Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC. This takes me to registration form where Microsoft asks for some basic details. I simply fill in my name, email address, country region, organization name, and if you have the one, you could also put personal phone number, job role, and the company size. After filling out these details, please click on the download button. Once registration is completed, Microsoft immediately provide an official download link for the ISO file. And here you have to go ahead and select your preferred language and click on download, and the ISO started downloading directly from Microsoft servers. That is completely safe and official. So that's it for today's videos on Windows 11 LTSC. What is it, how it's different, and how to download it safely from Microsoft official website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ITPK, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.